Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Mazda CX-9 with a dead key. First, don't panic if your key fob isn't responding. There's a simple workaround. You'll need to use a specific technique to get your vehicle running. This method bypasses the usual wireless signal, allowing you to start the engine even with a completely drained key fob battery. It's a handy trick for unexpected situations. To begin, locate the push button Start on your Mazda CX-9 dashboard. With your dead key fob in hand, you'll need to press it directly against this button. The vehicle is designed to read the key's transponder chip at very close range, even without battery power. Hold it firmly against the button while you proceed to the next step. This close proximity is crucial for the car to recognize the key. Now, with the key fob still pressed against the start button, firmly depress the brake pedal. While keeping the brake pedal down, push the engine start button. The car's system will then recognize the key's signal through direct contact, and your Mazda CX-9 engine should start. If it doesn't start immediately, ensure you have firm contact and try again. This method is reliable for getting you on your way. Once you've successfully started your car, it's a good idea to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Mazda key fobs use a CR2025 or CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver to carefully open the fob and swap out the old battery. This ensures your key fob functions normally for future use. Also, be sure to check the description for links to smart speakers and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.